Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by confirming basic connectivity. Make sure your Apple Watch and iPhone are powered, unlocked, and within Bluetooth range, roughly 10 meters or 33 feet. Once done, swipe up on your watch face to reveal Control Center. Look for the green phone icon with sound waves. That's the ping button. Tap it now. The watch sends a silent ping to the paired iPhone so you can hear where it is. If you don't hear sound, check iPhone volume and ringer settings before proceeding. Once the ping is active, tap it again to repeat the sound. That helps you home in faster. Press firmly or use the long press option on newer watches to trigger the Find My App shortcut on the phone, which can flash the screen even if it's muted. Walk slowly and pause. Listen for volume changes. Make sure you remove noisy clothing or move away from loud appliances. This lets you triangulate the phone's direction by judging which side the sound becomes louder. Finish by confirming the phone's exact spot. When you're near, follow the strongest ping and check surfaces and pockets. If the ping fails, open Find My on your watch and enable Lost Mode to lock and track the phone remotely. If Lost Mode isn't needed, try toggling Bluetooth or restarting both devices. This often restores the ping function. Finally, verify the iPhone isn't in an unusual sound profile, that volume is up, and the physical mute switch isn't flipped. Then retry the ping to confirm success.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.